aka La Vaca Loca, no? Vaca Lola. Little sponsorship from Borla. Well, let's start working on the booty patrol. Sponsored by Borla. Alright, so another day at the shop. If you guys remember, Eduardo's TC with the wrap, and then Alex's Subi up on stands right now. I don't know what they're doing to it, but he got a little cargo on top. This thing is sick. Like I said, this Subaru, this build in general, like, this has come a long, long way. Way too nice. Oh, sneak peek with the upgraded intercooler and everything. So today, we're working on our boy Eduardo's RT. He's got a little surprise for us. If you guys remember, this is his car, the RT camel wrap, aka La Vaca Loca, no? Vaca Lola. But we got some performance mufflers. Borla. Only the best for the muscle cars. So this is going on today. Stay tuned for that. We better slap these on and then see how she sounds. I'm excited. Little sponsorship from Borla. Let me see, put it on. A ver.
Let me see.
Let's see what it looks like. Okay.
Que se me había hecho mierda esto.
Very nice. Let's figure it out. So let's get to it and start working on this thing. Full on Borla exhaust from the Catback. So that's the original sound. Alright, so quick exhaust clip. See how it sounds stock? Or I would say with a muffler delete. Full on exhaust right here. The clamps. The manual. No, we don't need that. We're professionals, remember? Step 1, check. Step 2, jack stands. We're about to lift it up from the actual differential. We're gonna lift up from the differential. Throw some jack stands on. If you don't got a gym, come to Body Works. We'll put you to work. Set up the jack stand, both sides, second spot. And then we just drop it down. Eduardo is already on some lowering springs. These were off a Hellcat. The guy didn't lower it. I think he went coil, so we threw these on the RT.
HTCs.
Sheesh. Some nice stuff down here. Little Hellcat differential. Exhaust hanger on this side. 2 on that side. Then we work our way down. We got 1 more hanger here. A 5th one here. So the bolts for the hangers are 13 millimeters on each hanger, as well as 13 millimeters for these 2, and 13 millimeter up here. Always remember lefty loosey. Get this bolt out. Get these off. I'm excited for this. See how this turns out. So then there's a bolt up here, another 13 as well. Working our way back. There's 1 on each side. Eduardo's tackling that one. Yes, sir. And then there goes the 15. These tend to get rusty, so if you want to put some penetrating oil or WD-40, it's advised. I just broke it off of course, but if you live in an area with a lot of snow, I advise to put some penetrating oil just so you don't snap it or, you know, strip any threads. But you know, here in Cali, we just get sun and rain and a lot of fog. Once those are off, you want to grab a flathead. Just wiggle it free, the clamp, so you can get the clamp free, and then the whole thing should just come out as one piece.
Míralo. Ah, ese teamwork.
So the stock one is out with the old. About to throw in the new one. So what we do need from the old exhaust are the actual rubber hangers. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so it's literally down, headers down with the cat. Quick start, see how it sounds. Man. You're late to the party, Raul. Let's get back to it. And we got the little tips right here.
This is right, left.
Borla, so you know what's up. Nice. This is better. Look clean on it, for sure. Instructions, we don't need because we're pros, so throw that away. And like I said before, sponsored by Borla. Let's assemble it and get it ready. Just like that, it's assembled from the H pipe, or I would say X type pipe. What do you think, Raul? All right, it's just
it's just straight,
okay.
bro. It's not
And
even
then mufflers, 2 mufflers, exhaust tips. So these flat ones are for the actual exhaust, and these curved round ones are for the tips. So save these 2 for the end because there are 2 different types: the flat and the curved. Curved for exhaust tips, flat for exhaust. So you want to throw the clamps on first. Be sure to have the bolts pointing out towards the side, just so it's easy to adjust and tighten once you have it on. So that part's in. Like I said, make sure your bolts are facing outwards so you can tighten it. I guess I would call this the H pipe. The H pipe's all set, done, comes back. The straight end actually is on the passenger side compared to the curved side, which is on the driver's side. Next are the 2 mufflers. Juan, you want to pass the mufflers? So left side, mark left, is going to the driver's side. Pass me a clamp. They're hitting on your roll.
Okay, tú estabas with.
Aquí ve. Last part, last mufflers.
Así, pero de ángulo.
Ajá.
Algunos así, sí, cierto, se miran
Alright, last muffler's going in. Pass me 2 clamps, Eduardo. 1, 2 clamps. Next. Sir.
Ya. No, para quedarte nada, Perú. Si no me pediste ayuda a mí.
Ahorita te pido ayuda con el mío.
Raúl, a mí. El colombiano, una parte.
Okay. So now we tighten everything up.
¿En serio? ¿Y después?
So now we start from the back, adjusting and tightening all the way to the front where the mufflers and second mufflers are located. And then exhaust tips will come on after. Make sure there's at least a finger space. Fingers worth space. So these are clear. Time to move on to these. Now we tighten everything up. Get everything adjusted, nice and tidy. The stainless steel looks clean. The Borla, man. Can't wait to turn this on here, how it sounds.
Nice job.
Nice job, nice job. Bolt up these clamps and then finalize with the actual exhaust tips. Almost there. Almost complete. Tips are going on. Right side? Driver's side also?
No sé, este pendejo Ricardo, no sé cómo cogió los cables.
¿Qué pendejo?
¿Cuál es derecha y cuál es izquierda?
El que está aquí es de la derecha, pues okay. Obviamente.
Sí, hey, campeón.
Sponsored by Borla. And Raul.
It's supposed to be a garage thing. Just look at the runway. You excited, man?
No.
Moment of truth real quick. Tone. I like it. It does have that tone now, the Borla tone for sure. So, exhaust is on, muffler tips are adjusted, whole catback. Time to lower it y un test drive. Eduardo, lo bajamos y un test drive. All said and done, now we just gotta lower it, then take it up for a test drive, see how it sounds on the road, and go from there. Installation complete, so let's go from there. Final touch, sponsored by Borla, blessed by Borla. All blessed up now. Eduardo, listo? All right, test drive, test drive, test drive. So, quick test drive on the RT after the Borla install. We're gonna see how this thing sounds from inside the cabin, as well as some exterior flybys in a bit, so stay tuned for that. At idle is pretty nice. No drone, no nothing.
No, nothing.
And then we got Raul. Whew.
That's in sport.
Oh man, this is without sport mode. We're in comfort mode right now, alright? So just wait on it. Let me put my seatbelt on, because safety first. I will say this, installation was pretty quick, simple. I'll give it to the muscle people. This installation was quick and simple. Okay, okay, okay. This thing definitely, the torque definitely puts you back in the seat. Something about the torque.
Sport.
Sport is on. Woo! Yes, sir. This thing sounds nice. Eduardo got it right with the Borla exhaust. Oh yes. Dang.
Tiró vergazo.
Interior cabin sounds nice. Quick point of view. Hell yeah. Damn.
Y evoluciona más, ¿verdad?
I know.
Sí. Antes se aguantaba.
Es que ahora te está más como libre.
A ver, sport.
Sport. Yes, sir. Complete. Task complete. This thing sounds beautiful.
Hey,
Cuties!
en sport se escucha mejor.
So, RT's all ready. Borla exhaust. Hopefully he makes a showcase out at the meet tonight, out in Vallejo for Boat Society. But, job complete, mission complete.